Forget passive income from real estate. It's the biggest fairy tale they sell aspiring millionaires. My first passive investment flooded. Literally, I was knee-deep in murky water at 2 a.m., the tenant's panic echoing louder than the gushing pipe. That night, the dream of sipping cocktails while rent checks magically appeared drowned alongside my cheap laminate flooring. For years, I bought the hype. More doors, more passive streams. What I got was a tangled mess of late-night calls, eviction dramas that felt like soap operas, and repair bills that ate profits like hungry wolves. My portfolio wasn't a well-oiled machine. It was a clunky, demanding beast, constantly needing to be fed time and money. It was anything but passive. Here's the real deal. Real estate wealth isn't found, it's forged. It demands you build an actual business. That means ironclad systems for tenant screening, maintenance protocols stricter than a drill sergeant, and a network of reliable contractors who don't vanish when things get tough. You're not buying a property, you're acquiring a small, sometimes chaotic enterprise. It's less like owning a golden goose and more like running a high-stakes farm. You're the one mucking out the stalls and fixing the fences before you see any golden eggs. So the question isn't just, can you afford the down payment? It's, are you prepared to roll up your sleeves and build an empire? Or are you just looking for a lottery ticket?